As soon as I step outside, you can find me next to this thing, the Weber Spirit 2, my favorite barbecue that I've ever used. It is a 3-burner barbecue, LPG, so liquid propane. And the really nice thing about this is here is where the LPG sits. It's not on the ground, and it sits right there on this hook, and it tells you how empty or full the LPG bottle is. So you never have to guess. You know exactly where you're at. This is a cast iron grill. It is 30,000 BTU per hour. Super easy to clean, and you can add the accessory that I love to use, the iGrill 3. It is a meat thermometer that connects to your phone through the Weber app. It's absolutely a must. The Weber Spirit 2 has a lot of space, a lot of room to grill for an entire family, and we've done it many, many times. It has a cook that is even and really quick. It's a must if you are a barbecue lover, just like we are in this household.